Hi, my name is Lisa Gelman. I'm the owner of Gelman & Associates, and today I'll be talking to you about obtaining a divorce. All a divorce is a change of status. You go from being a married person to a single person, and a divorce enables you, if you so choose, to get married again. A divorce does not deal with custody, child support, spousal support, division of property, restraining orders, and all the other corollary issues that you can deal with. In order to obtain a divorce in Ontario, either you or your spouse have to have been living in Ontario for at least 1 year prior to filing your application for divorce. In order to become eligible for a divorce, one of the three things must have happened. Number one, you and your spouse need to have been living separate and apart for at least 1 year. The second way you're eligible to apply for divorce is if your spouse has had an adulterous affair. The third way is if there's been cruel or unusual punishment that you've suffered. You're entitled to file for a divorce anytime after you separate. However, if the grounds that you're applying for the divorce are based on the year of separation, you won't be able to get the divorce until you've been separated for at least a year. However, if you're relying on either an adulterous affair or physical or mental cruelty, you can apply and are entitled to immediately obtain a divorce. Once you file for a divorce, generally speaking, the entire process to obtain the actual divorce certificate, which will enable you to remarry, takes give or take about 3 months. When you want to get a divorce, you've got to file an application for divorce. And what you have to do is file it with the court and then have it served on your spouse or ex-spouse within 6 months. After it's filed, you then have to wait 30 days. Once 30 days passes, then more documents are filed with the court. It's an affidavit and some other documents basically attesting to the fact that you've been separated for a year or the grounds that you're relying on. Then eventually the court will process it, and if everything's in order, a judge will grant a divorce order. 31 days after receiving that order, as long as there's been no appeal filed, you can obtain a divorce certificate, and the divorce certificate enables you to remarry. Alternative to filing an application for divorce, you and your ex-spouse can decide to jointly file a divorce. The advantage of that is, if you're friendly, one party does not have to serve the other party, and it can cut down at costs. The negative side to that is, though, the second procedure after 30 days expires is that both spouses have to file an affidavit with the court attesting to the grounds for separation. If you'd like some more information on divorce, please take a look at our website, and in particular, the section on divorce.